Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French quiche. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, like a 9-inch pie crust, 4 large eggs, and 1½ cups of heavy cream. Then, we'll prepare our delicious fillings, such as savory bacon, sautéed onions, or your favorite cheese. Finally, I'll guide you through the easy steps to assemble and bake this classic dish to perfection. First, let's prepare our 9-inch pie crust. Blind bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent a soggy bottom. While that cools, prepare your fillings. Sauté 1/2 cup of diced onions or cook 4 slices of bacon until crispy. Shred 1 cup of your preferred cheese like Gruyere for that authentic French taste. Now let's create the heart of our quiche, the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1½ cups of heavy cream until well combined. Season this mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Next, arrange your prepared fillings, like the bacon and cheese, evenly in the partially baked crust. Gently pour the custard over everything. Finally, it's time to bake our masterpiece. Place the quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the center is just set and the top is beautifully golden brown. A knife inserted near the center should come out clean. Let it cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing into 8 generous wedges and enjoying your homemade French quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.